Regardless of whether you plead guilty or not guilty, attaining advice and representation from an experienced criminal lawyer can get you a better result. Here are 8 good reasons to contact Andrew Williams Law Offices if you're facing criminal charges. With the complexity of the law and the frequent changes to it, it's likely you will encounter difficulties in understanding the relevant issues pertaining to your case. By engaging an experienced criminal lawyer, you spare yourself the stress, time, pressure, and worry. Not being represented opens you up to being incorrectly charged, found guilty when you're innocent, being sent to prison when you shouldn't, or being disadvantaged in a job application because you are required to disclose your criminal record. An experienced criminal lawyer can help you avoid these outcomes. When your freedom and livelihood are at stake, there should be no question about what you should do. Most of us aren't sure what our rights are or what we should say or do if requested to participate in a police interview. An experienced criminal lawyer will know exactly the best way to navigate this process. You don't want to risk being held in custody while waiting for your trial, so retain the services of a criminal lawyer from the outset. Presenting the bail application right the first time is crucial. If your application is not presented properly and you are refused bail, it's very difficult to have the application reheard. An experienced criminal lawyer will know what questions to ask witnesses in court and how to frame those questions. The criminal lawyer will also formulate a strategic plan on how to question witnesses. This can impact the end result. A good criminal lawyer will identify and object to inadmissible evidence being led by the prosecution and highlight the deficiencies in the arguments in the prosecution's case. A good criminal lawyer will know how to write a plea offer to the prosecution and, in doing so, identify public interest reasons why the plea offer should be accepted. The criminal lawyer will also know what to say when submitting that the prosecution should consider discontinuing the charge. A good criminal lawyer will have a sound understanding of the sentencing law as it applies to the specific case. This will assist in making submissions to the court to help you avoid tough penalties. You wouldn't perform a medical procedure on yourself. The same should be said if you are facing criminal charges and your livelihood and freedom are on the line. To hear more about how we can help you, contact the law offices of Andrew Williams today.